Hi, and welcome to Happy Mama. I'm CC Free. Today, I'm going to talk about humidifiers. A humidifier in the room will help baby to breathe easily and get the rest that they need because it's so easy for their nasal cavities to get plugged up. Today, I'm going to show you the humidifier I purchased, as well as give you some tips on what to look for when choosing a humidifier for your baby. There are some problems with steam and wick humidifiers. For both the steam and wick humidifiers, they can grow bacteria in them, especially for the wick one if the wick is not replaced frequently enough. For steam humidifiers, they can cause a burn hazard as the water needs to boil in order to create the vapor in the room. First of all, I chose an ultrasonic humidifier. An ultrasonic humidifier uses sound waves to break apart the water to make a fine and gentle mist. This mist permeates the room and is very easy to breathe. Here is the humidifier I chose to buy. It is a Pure Guardian ultrasonic humidifier. Let me show you the details on it up close. As you can see, this humidifier is really easy to use. To turn it on, you can have it on cool mist or warm mist. And here is your settings dial from a very fine mist to a high mist here. As well, it's got a night light feature that you can have on in your room if you'd like. And if I go in close here, you can actually see that it's producing a very nice wet mist that's very fine. This humidifier is easy to take apart. This part just directs the steam where you want it headed in the room. To change the water, you just lift it up by the handle here. Here you open the spout, fill it with fresh water. You can fill it in from the tap, or you can use distilled water if you like. And it sits back easily onto the humidifier. When looking for an ultrasonic humidifier, think about the costs that will come on down the road as well. So look for a humidifier that does not have expensive filters needing you to replace it and clean it all the time with their special cleaning powders and such. These are just tricks to get your money and become reliant on buying their brand of item. Look for a humidifier that will last you a long time, but be easy on your pocketbook. Thank you for joining us on Happy Mama today. I hope that this video was helpful. So please leave a comment below, right there, and let me know what your thoughts are on humidifiers for baby. I would love to hear from you. Also, please check out my blog at happymama.com. I hope to see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.
How are you? What do you think of your humidifier? Oh, there it is. How do you like your humidifier? Is that what you think of it? You're pretty happy with it, huh? Yeah. Say hi, everybody. Uh-oh. Okay, say bye-bye.
My baby's crying.